y'all, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Lynette. I am excited to share today's video with you all. I'm taking down my Christmas decorations and giving my home a reset, I guess, after fall and Christmas. So I was a little sad to take down all of my decor, but I decided to take the opportunity while I can since I still don't have my baby. I am not sure if I'll have her by the time you're watching this video, but at the time of filming, I am around 39 weeks. So baby watch is definitely happening, but I decided to take advantage of it while I have the chance and just kind of, I guess, reset my home. So that is kind of what I'm doing in today's video. I hope it gives you some motivation or inspiration if you're needing something after the holidays and everything. Also, if you're new, consider subscribing. I love making videos related to home and family. So I'm going to have quite a bit of music playing today, I'm guessing, since I'm just, deconstructing all of the decorations and everything. And then I will kind of phase into redecorating. So I also have links in my description box if you're curious about some things. I don't have links for nearly everything, but if you have a question, just ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer if I can. So I'll let y'all watch. getting ready to kind of put my house back together. Nick said, it looks like we just moved in. I was like, yeah, see what decorations do to a house. So anyway, I'm ready to get things put back. I feel like, am I even gonna have anything to like decorate with? Because, you know, before Christmas I would have had fall decorations, and so I'm gonna have to kind of rethink as to what I used to have where and that kind of thing, but it'll probably be all right. I have a lot of plants that need to be moved back inside, or I don't know, whatnot. I have a bunch out in my patio, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning as I go, but not extensively, just because I get so tired. You know, 39 weeks pregnant here. I'll probably clean some surfaces and do some vacuuming and stuff, but I'm not gonna go extensive. My mom said she'll probably clean for me once the baby's born. If she's over here, she doesn't always have anything to do, you know, so she'll probably do some more cleaning for me. But in any case, I'm gonna try and get to work. The boys are with my dad this afternoon, and they were there at their house this morning, so yeah, trying to get some things done while I can. So while I think about it, this fiddle leaf fig tree is a faux one, and I had found it at a Habitat for Humanity restore soon after we moved last year. And I often get questions about this shelf above my sofa. My husband made it, and we just stained it. I think the stain color is Early American, I believe. So just in case you're wondering, it is a DIY. I'm still playing around with the shelf here. I keep tweaking things here and there. For now, I'm gonna leave it, but I may move some stuff around. So I love this vase here. It's like a, I don't know, cement pottery vase that I got at Target. It's their new line that just came out for, I guess, the winter season. And it's really big. I don't know if you can really see the scale of it, but it's quite chunky and heavy. And then I got some fresh eucalyptus at Trader Joe's. I decided I'm gonna just do it. It's so cheap. Like, they're little Well, one pack of eucalyptus is like $3, and hopefully this will last a little bit. I know it's fresh and so they won't last forever, and I don't do it all the time, but I really do love it. I don't have anything really like artificial that looks nice to put in there yet, so. And then these black candlesticks I added for now. I'm not sure yet. I may play around with this, but those are from Ikea. And then I just put some books and a picture of the boys. And then this picture was one that our former church in Ohio gave to us as a farewell gift. And then the console table itself is from Ross. really would like to get a lamp to put there, like a floor lamp or something, because we need more lighting in here, but I'm gonna see what the snake plant does here once, and I don't know, leave it for now. My sister gave me that macrame hanger back there. Excuse all the noises. I really like not having the green cabinet here. Yeah, feels a little bit more open and kind of more, I don't know, southwestern, I guess, which is kind of what I'm going for in this room anyway. hope you all enjoyed today's video. I hope it was motivating and inspiring. I know that a lot of people are doing the undecorating and cleaning and stuff, so I needed to do it anyway, and I figured it's been a while since I just decorated my home for like kind of more like a neutral type of thing, not necessarily for a season. I do love decorating seasonally, so if you're new, make sure you're subscribed and hit the little notification bell if you so wish. And I will hopefully have a baby video up for you guys in the near future. At this point, she is still not making any moves to come out, so I'm guessing she might be late. My due date is January 6th, so I don't know. Y'all can pray for me, and I'll try to keep you updated as I can. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lynette Yoder _ because I will probably be on there sooner than I will be on YouTube, just because it's a little easier. So you can also, even if you don't have an account, you can still go on and look at my stuff, even if you know you don't want to make your own account, just so you're aware of that. My account is public, so you can find me regardless if you have an account or not. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.